Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Arabic with Mr. Ahmed channel. Today we are talking about Introduction to Modern Standard Arabic. So let's get started. Introduction to Modern Standard Arabic. Modern Standard Arabic, or MSA, is a rich expressive language that serves as the lingua franca across the Arab world. As one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations and with over 300 million speakers worldwide, Arabic holds a prominent place in global communication, literature, religion, and culture. This presentation provides a comprehensive introduction to modern standard Arabic, exploring its historical significance, linguistic features, and modern relevance. What we will talk about. Number 1. What is modern standard Arabic? Number 2. Historical background and evolution. Number 3. Linguistic features of modern standard Arabic. Number 4. Vocabulary and word formation. Number 5. The role of MSA in Arab culture and society. Number 6. Modern standard Arabic versus dialects. Number 7. Learning modern standard Arabic, tips for beginners. And finally, number 8. Conclusion. Hello everyone, I am Ahmed Sharawi, straight from the heart of Egypt. I bring the richness of native Arabic right to you. Arabic mastery as an experienced Arabic teacher and coach. I make learning modern standard Arabic clear, practical, and engaging. With a proven success and countless success stories, I have helped many people confidently read, write, speak, and understand Arabic. I am your online guide. Now I have taken my teaching global, reaching aspiring Arabic learners online, ready to guide and support you every steps of the way to fluency. Number 1. What is Modern Standard Arabic? Modern Standard Arabic, or MSA, or Fusha in Arabic, is a standard version of Arabic used for formal communication across the Arab-speaking world. It is derived from Classical Arabic, the language of the Quran, but has been modernized to accommodate contemporary contexts. MSA is used in official documents, media, literature, education, and international diplomacy, bridging diverse Arabic dialects into a single unifying form of communication. Unlike spoken dialects, which vary widely by region, for example, Egyptian, Levantine, Gulf Arabic, MSA is consistent across Arabic-speaking countries. This uniformity makes it ideal for international affairs, academic discourse, and cross-cultural understanding. Learning MSA opens doors to understanding literature, journalism, and even the nuances of different dialects, providing a comprehensive foundation for anyone interested in mastering the Arabic language. Number 2. Historical background and evolution. Arabic as a language has roots that stretch back thousands of years, and its earliest forms likely originated on the Arabian Peninsula. By the 7th century, Arabic gained a prominence with the rise of Islam, as the Quran was revealed in Classical Arabic. This period led to the spread of Arabic across North Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia, marking its influence on various cultures and languages. Over the centuries, Arabic developed regional dialects, influenced by local languages and cultures. However, a need remained for a standard form of Arabic, especially for formal and written communication. Modern Standard Arabic evolved from Classical Arabic, incorporating a new vocabulary and simplified grammar, making it suitable for today's world while preserving much of the structure of the classical language. Number 3. Linguistic features of modern standard Arabic. MSA has a unique linguistic structure that includes distinctive phonetics, a rich vocabulary, and a complex grammar system. Understanding the foundational elements of MSA is key to grasping its role and relevance. Phonetics and pronunciation. Arabic sounds are both familiar and distinctive to speakers of other languages. There are 28 letters in the Arabic alphabet, each representing a consonant. Vowel sounds are indicated by diacritical marks, which are placed above or below the letters. MSA includes sounds unique to Arabic, such as the ghain and ain, which often challenge new learners. For example, ba, a ba sound similar to the English B in bat. Kha, a throaty sound similar to kha in the German Bach. Ain, a unique sound without an equivalent in English, produced deep in the throat. Pronunciation in MSA is precise and clear, unlike dialects, where pronunciation and certain sounds vary regionally. MSA's emphasis on clarity makes it ideal for formal contexts, speeches, and presentations. Grammar and structure. Arabic grammar may seem complex at first, but it follows systematic patterns that, once understood, provide a solid foundation for effective communication. Some of the key grammatical features include root and pattern system. Arabic words are formed from a root of 3 or 4 consonants, which conveys a core meaning. By adding vowels and other letters in specific patterns, the root transforms into various related words. For example, the root KTB, kataba, relates to writing. From this root we get kitab, it means book, kataba, it means he wrote, maktaba, it means library or bookstore. Verb conjugation. Arabic verbs are conjugated according to person, gender, and number, meaning they differ based on the speaker or subject. Conjugation also indicates tense, past, present, or future, and in MSA follows specific rules that help speakers learn consistent patterns. Noun-adjective agreement. In MSA, adjectives must agree with the nouns they describe in gender, number, and case. For example, رجل قوي means a strong man, masculine singular. امرأة قوية, القوية, قوية, means a strong woman, feminine singular. This agreement system may take time for learners to master, but is essential for proper grammar and clarity in communication. Writing system. Arabic is written from right to left, with each letter having up to 4 forms: initial, medial, final, and isolated, depending on its position in the word. Unlike many languages, Arabic script is cursive, meaning letters within words connect, or letters are connecting together. This continuous style gives Arabic its visually distinct and flowing appearance. For beginners, writing in Arabic can be challenging, especially in mastering the different forms of each letter. However, the regularity of rules in the writing system helps learners progress steadily with practice. Number 4. Vocabulary and word formation. Arabic vocabulary is vast and nuanced, with words often derived from 3 consonant roots. This root system, combined with affixes and buttons, allows the creation of a rich array of related words. For instance, the root SLM, or Sin Lam Mim, meaning peace, generates words like Salam, means peace, Muslim, one who submits, a Muslim, Islam, submission, the religion of Islam. This root system enables Arabic speakers to recognize and understand new words more easily, as they can often deduce meanings based on known roots and patterns. Number 5. The role of MSA in Arab culture and society. MSA connects the diverse regions of the Arab world, serving as the official language in 22 countries. It is the language of literature, news, education, and government, enabling communication across dialectical differences, unlike regional dialects, which can be incomprehensible to speakers from other parts of the Arab world. MSA provides a unifying linguistic foundation. For example, in literature and poetry, MSA is the language of the classical Arabic literature, from medieval poetry to modern novels. Authors across the Arab world use it to create works accessible to readers from diverse backgrounds. In media, news channels such as Al Jazeera and Al Arabiya use MSA for broadcasts, ensuring that viewers across the Arab world can understand their programs. In formal and academic settings, schools teach in MSA, and it is the medium of instruction in universities, especially for subjects like history, literature, and Islamic studies. Learning in SA opens doors, as we said before, to understanding not only the language but also the cultural, historical, and religious heritage of the Arab world. Number 6. Modern Standard Arabic versus dialects. While MSA is used in formal settings, dialects dominate everyday conversation. Dialects dominate everyday conversation. Dialects vary widely, with Egyptian Arabic, Levante Arabic, Gulf Arabic, the Maghribi or Morocco Arabic being some of the most commonly spoken. These dialects have unique vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation influenced by local languages and cultures. However, knowledge of MSA provides a bridge to understanding dialects, since MSA forms the basis of written Arabic. Dialect speakers often incorporate MSA vocabulary into their speech, especially in media and formal communication. This makes MSA a useful foundation for anyone looking to learn regional dialects later. Number 7. Learning Modern Standard Arabic Tips for Beginners. Learning MSA can be challenging due to its grammar rules and unique phonetics, but with consistent practice and the right approach, beginners can make steady progress. Here are some tips. Start with the alphabet. Mastering the alphabet and pronunciation is the first step. Practice writing and saying each letter, paying special attention to sounds unique to Arabic. Learn common words and phrases. Start with basic greetings, polite expressions, and common nouns. This builds vocabulary while providing immediate communication tools. And in the near future, we will create some videos about these points. The next point, understand basic grammar rules. MSA has rules for word order, verb conjugation, and noun-adjective agreement. Focus on these foundational rules to build a solid understanding of the language structure. And we will create some videos about this. Next point, practice listening and speaking. Listen to MSA news broadcasts or podcasts or language apps to become familiar with the sounds and rhythm of the language. Repeat phrases and practice speaking to improve pronunciation. Use Arabic in daily life. Try incorporating Arabic into your daily routine by labeling household items, writing simple diary entries, or listening to Arabic songs, for example, with subtitles. Conclusion. Modern Standard Arabic is a key to understanding the Arab world's language, culture, and history. While it can be challenging to learn, especially for English speakers, the rewards of mastering MSA are vast. It opens up access to a wealth of literature, religious texts, and media, and serves as a bridge for understanding regional dialects, whether for personal enrichment, professional development, or cross-cultural understanding. Learning MSA is an enriching and rewarding journey. With dedication, patience, and consistent practice, beginners can gradually unlock the beauty and depth of this remarkable language. This is time for discussion. If you have any questions or comments, please write your questions or your comments in the comment section below. That's for today. And by the way, if you want to get this presentation, just write the presentation in the comments section below and I will send the link to you. Also, if you are interested in learning Arabic or if you need some help in learning Arabic or Egyptian dialect, just write a free call in the comments below and I will send the link to you to chat together one-to-one and see how I can help you. And thank you for watching. If you find this helpful and useful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you soon.